With that said, on behalf of the Cure Starts Now and the DIPG Collaborative, I would like to award you with a grant of $121,863.
Thank you so much. I mean, you guys, the Collaborative, we're so really honored to be part of this and to work with you guys. It's so inspiring to meet so many families who've been through this and have dedicated their lives to raising awareness and funding for this disease. The Collaborative has been so spectacularly supportive of me and my lab for many years now. It's just a really wonderful relationship we have, and I'm just, delighted to get this award and really hope that we can turn it into something which can improve survival for kids who get this terrible disease. So we've spent some time the last couple of years trying to put together all the available genomic data on DIPG from around the world, in particular to look to see if there are some new genes that we could identify in that way from a big study rather than all the smaller studies. And so doing that, we identified this new gene called TOP3A. It's found in DIPGs that don't have another gene mutation called ATRX, so they're always separate. Knowing what we do about TOP3A, we think they may be playing a similar sort of role in keeping these cells alive. So we think it could be a new mechanism that we could maybe think about targeting. We have one cell model in the lab which has TOP3A amplified, and doing some drug screening, it really popped out as being very different to the other cells. So we think this could be a new class of compounds that we could maybe use to target this particular alteration in DIPGs. So it was relatively sort of preliminary work, and the great thing about the Collaborative and this sort of grant scheme is it's really beautifully set up to take this sort of early work and try to turn it into something much bigger and much more important. And so our application was around trying to validate this in more and better models, testing more and better drugs, more real drugs that may be able to go into the clinic, and to seeing if this is really going to be a new treatment that we could maybe actually take to kids who have DIPG.